Can we add fabric to the back of this plate and have it still be washable? Oh, we can! Friends, it's me, Colette, with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. I have this cute little 7.5-inch plate from Dollar Tree that I wiped down with some rubbing alcohol, made sure it's clean. And then look at this fabric I got from Dollar Tree as well. I love it. So we're going to cut a piece. I think the piece is probably 8 by 8. I did not measure it. I just used my plate and eyeballed it and cut out a square. Done. And measuring it after, yeah, it's about 8 by 8. Now, we're going to be using dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Is it necessary? If you want to wash it after, yeah. If not, then do you. So I'm covering the back of the plate with Mod Podge, and you notice I put a pretty good amount on. Now we're going to put our fabric right side down so that when you turn the plate over, you'll be able to see the right side of the fabric. Does that make sense? So right now it's wrong side up. And then all I'm doing right now is just smoothing out all of the wrinkles. See how I'm doing that? Smooth, 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 all the way around. If you put enough Mod Podge on the back, see, basically what we're trying to go for is saturating that fabric. Now, I flipped it over and I'm just wicked loosely cutting around the plate. Then I'm going to put a layer of Mod Podge all over the back, and this is where we're saturating that fabric. You just want to make sure that it is just loaded with that dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Again, this is just how I do it. Do other people have other methods that are equally as valid? Absolutely. This is just how I found it works best for me. And friends, if you're going to be selling these, for the love of all that's holy, use dishwasher safe Mod Podge or a waterproof sealant that's, well, hopefully that's food safe. But anyways, don't use regular Mod Podge and expect it to be washable, because you can't. You just can't. So, all right. I'm off my soapbox now. All right. So we just go, and again, go all the way around. Make sure that you get all of the parts. Make sure that it's nice and saturated. Then this is the part where it gets a little bit messy. And it's okay. You can wash your hands after. If not, then wear gloves. That's fine. I don't. But all I'm going to do is I am going to flip it over, and I'm going to hold it on my hand. So see how I'm going to take it, and I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to hold it there. Now I'm going to take my scissors, and we're not going to go at it just cutting it regular. We're going to tilt. See my scissors? I angle them so that they are towards the bottom of the plate, and go all the way around and cut it. This gives it such a nice edge. Look at how close we got. So awesome. Perfect. Then I'm going to flip it back over, and I'm going to go back over with some more dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Just make sure, because sometimes when you cut it, it'll actually bubble or wrinkle or whatever, and you're just going to make sure that it's all adhered to your plate. So go all the way around. I actually, once I do this, I let it dry, and then I put another layer of Mod Podge on. This is how I let them dry. I put it on this little Dollar Tree cup holder. It just makes it easier to pick it up and put it back down. You do have to let this cure. If you let it cure for, okay, listen, everybody, you're going to read the back and you're going to be like, it's got to cure for 21 days. That's for a dishwasher safe. If you want to be able to hand wash it, yeah, I just let it sit for a couple days because I'm one of those crazy, I can't wait. And I have some that last a year, 2 years, and it's still fine. So it works. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.